Hi, welcome to LOOk's YouTube channel. In this video, I show you how to use the LOOkX Sun Protector Powder Duo. This powder is a soft, smooth pressed powder that leaves your skin with a shimmering, sun-kissed glow and contains two different colours, one lighter and one darker. You can find a special applicator for applying the bronzer duo blush, but in this video, I use the LOOkX powder brush for smooth application. First, I use the lighter colour to highlight the parts of the face where the light catches. My forehead, my nose, and my cheekbones, and even your cupid's bow. You can use the darker colour to contour your face and give it a nice sun-kissed look. If you like, you can also mix the two colours together. Now you've finished your fresh sun-kissed glow look with the Sun Protector Powder Duo from LOOkX. Don't forget to follow LOOkX on social media for more beauty tips and tricks.